Hey, DC, your marketing makeover starts now. Let us inspire, guide, and equip you for success at our Marketing Makeover Workshop livestream event. On March 27th at 10:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're bringing you the tools, insights, and expertise you need, live from booth number 311 at the Charles E. Smith Center and streaming on LinkedIn Live. Our Marketing Makeover Workshop isn't just another webinar, it's your chance to speak live with subject matter experts about your business. All live attendees will receive a complimentary marketing audit, an actionable 5-year small business guide, and live feedback tailored specifically to your business. This is more than advice. It's a roadmap to success. Don't wait. Register now, meet us at booth number 311, or click the event link on your device to participate and receive your complimentary marketing audit and 5-year small business guide. Here's how you can register your business for the workshop. Don't forget to fill out the form for specific help with your business. Share as much detail as you can in advance so that our experts may make a full assessment. We're waiting to hear what questions you have for our marketing team. Your question may be answered live by one of our experts during the live stream's Q&A segment. This last question will help us to create your complimentary marketing audit to present to you after the live stream has taken place. Let's get your business moving forward. Looking forward to seeing you there.